Assalamu alaikum. The topic which we are going to discuss is training cycle. Training cycle means to perform a training and to be enhancing the capacity of a particular group of people on a particular topic. There are 5 basic components you need to keep in mind while organizing a training session, which are training needs assessment, develop learning objectives, plan and design learning, facilitate the training, and evaluate the performance. The first one is training needs assessment. Training needs assessment, an assessment process that serves as a diagnostic tool for determining what training needs to take place. It means that you have to explore the needs of your audience and what things they should be trained on. How could you identify? You could be identifying by the data collection. For example, a particular group of people working on a similar objective in a firm, so their reports are very important. You will collect the data from their reports and summarize it by doing analysis. And after doing analysis, you will get to the area of improvement, and when you gather all the 3 components, you should be aligning information to identify the needs of your trainees. The second topic is about develop learning objectives. Develop learning objectives mean it defines the expected goal of a curriculum, course, lesson or activity in terms of demonstrable skills or knowledge. It means that what should be discussed in a training, what will be the agenda. So you will be designing an agenda keeping in mind the SMART approach. SMART approach means you should be specific towards your goal. They should be measurable, achievable, relevant and time bound. So the agenda will be goals oriented, and there should be some creative elements to get the trainees interactive in during the session. The third component is plan and design learning. It is the framework that supports learning experiences where decisions to be made about the sequence of learning, that what should be trained first and what should be after it. What should be the content of the training, what words capacity, creative material, ideas and information message, and then it is about the structure. What will be the structure of training, from where to start and from where to end the journey of a particular topic. The third one is about the strategy, that how you are going to demonstrate the training topic. It should be pictorial as a presentation, it should be a role play, it should be pictorial, or it should be a group discussion. The fourth one is very important, which is about the timing. The timing of a particular session, that how much time to a session to be given for addressing all the needs of the participant. The fourth component is facilitate the training. It is the technique used by the trainers to help learners acquire, retain, apply knowledge and skills. Participants are introduced to a content and takes a step to enhance the experience for the learner. How could you do? You will be asking from the participants after introducing them with that topic, and then taking on board the relevant point said by the trainees and to discuss it with the other participants. And the third one is giving suggestion about the good ideas, showing the roadmap to the participants so that they can think relevant about the topic more. The fifth component is about evaluating the performance. It can take many forms, including surveys of learner reaction, knowledge test, skill demonstration, comparison of pre-post learning performances. Evaluating the learner's reaction about the training, measuring what was learned during the training, assess whether or not behavior has changed as a result of training or not, evaluate the impact of your program on business results. So this was all about the topic. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon